Hey everybody, this is Liz with Connecting Threads, and I'm really excited to show you another quilting tool to add to your quilting arsenal. Now, this is one of my favorite tools that you can buy on Connecting Threads, and trust me when I tell you, you are going to start using it for everything. So these are two of the hot rulers that Clover sells. We have a large, long ruler, and then we also have our square hemmer, and they work exactly the same. This is a ruler that is made out of a kind of thin felt-like material that you can iron directly on top of. And when you're doing things like you're hemming a pair of pants, or maybe you are making your own bias tape, whatever it might be, these rulers can be ironed on directly. And so it's going to save you a lot of marking time. And so I really want to show you how these work, because once you realize how useful they're going to be, you're going to be using it for just about everything in your sewing studio. So let me go ahead and grab the ruler and I'll show you how it works. So once you have your piece of fabric down on an ironing board or sheet, you can lay your ruler directly on some fabric, and I'm going to fold over a 1-inch seam allowance here. So this is going to be my 1-inch line here, and all you need to do is fold your fabric over. You can go ahead and line it up, whatever is best for you. I found that once I line it over, I can kind of push the ruler down a little bit to make sure that that seam allowance is perfect. And then all you need to do is take your iron and press along the edge. Now, if you need to use steam, you can feel free. This is a steam-resistant ruler, which is really great. And once we take the ruler off, I have a perfect 1-inch seam allowance. And that's how you use the Hot Hemmer and Hot Ruler by Clover. These tools are some of the best that you can add to your quilting studio, because you're going to start using them for just about anything. And the best part is it's going to save you a lot of time down the line for all of your sewing needs. So thank you so much for stopping by today, and I can't wait to see you in our next video.